Hey, this is a full tutorial on how to play God Does by the Red Clay Strays. I'll show you two ways. I'll show you how he actually plays it live, and I'll show you an easier version with a capo at the 2nd fret. Some more beginner chords for you. Chords you're going to need are an A, you're going to need an F minor, a D, E, B7, and N. That's a B minor. It's like that F minor, but it is at the 7th fret. The strumming pattern is down, up, 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 down. Just kind of follow that rhythm. So, the song starts off on a hammer-on the 2nd fret of the low E, and just open A. Right into that A, with a hammer-on with your pinky finger onto that D string. And he does it again. He starts singing. You're gonna walk down with your pinky on the 4th fret of the E string to your F minor. No hammer-ons here. D. And that is a hammer-on the G string, 4th fret. A little tricky. Your pinky doesn't naturally want to really do that. If you're not used to that, it's a good song to practice that, but you'll get used to it as your finger gets stronger. Back to the A string with the hammer on and everything. Now for the bridge. E to A. Here comes B7. Back to D. Whoa. B minor. Back to A. And that's pretty much the whole song. So he does the bridge twice, and I mean, of course, is all the same throughout the song. On the bridge, when he switches from the E to the A, either he does it or it just sounds good when I play it like this. I go for the E, and I just use my pointer finger and slide it up to that 2nd fret, and I play my A like this, where my pointer is like in between my ring and my middle finger, but it lets me go do a little walk up on it. So same way. Hear that? It's like a little hammer on. The easier way to play this is with a G, E minor, and an F, but I'm leaving the G open so I can do the hammer on. You also need the same B7, D, and C. Don't forget A minor. So, song kind of starts off the same. If you want to roll over your middle finger and mute that A, so you can hammer on the D string on the 2nd fret. down on the 2nd fret of the E to your E minor. You can go into your F. You can play a C, but I think the F sounds a bit closer, especially if you're trying to do the hammer-ons with this. Back to your G. Your bridge is your D, to your G. Into your B minor. C. A minor. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.